Hi, my name is Shane, and the pose that we're going to be looking at is Cobra and Upward Facing Dog. Two of those kind of tie into each other. They are two different poses, but we're just going to tie them in the difference between the two. So we're going to start lying down on our bellies, and then bring your hands, just kind of slide them back as far as you can back without taking too much into your wrists. We're going to lift the chest up and then draw your elbows in towards each other and bring your shoulder blades together at the back. So the tendency here will be for the elbow or the shoulders to come up towards the ears. So see, can you draw your elbows down towards your hips and then grip the mat and think about trying to slide forward to take the pressure out of your lower back and lift your collarbones a little higher. Draw your heels in towards each other to engage your glutes. Cobra pose. Then to take this to an upward facing dog, we push the fronts of the feet down into the mat, lift the knees, then start to lift the hips up. The tendency will be to lock out the elbows and push back. But what I want us to think about is a micro bend in the elbows and try to slide your feet forward. Take your shoulder blades together and lift your collarbones up. Cobra and upward facing dog.